there are people out here with jeans and a sweatshirt, and I'm like boiling hot. I am in a short sleeve. I could wither away and die. 안녕하세요, 여러분. 저는 미국 대변입니다. Spring is in full swing in Korea, and in this video, I wanted to show you bits of what spring looks like here. Enjoy! There are many things that you can do in the springtime in Korea, and one of the popular yearly events that you just have to go visit is the Seoul Forest Park. They have beautiful and diverse display of plants and flowers that you can enjoy. It's a pretty famous event you simply must see during peak flower season, and I hope I can come here again and again. Besides the flowers and plants here, the Seoul Forest Park is such a peaceful place in general. I love the smell of the dirt and the trees. It made me realize how much I miss nature, and I am definitely coming back for a picnic or a nice day out of the city. Alright, 여러분. I hope you enjoyed this video, so remember, do good, be good, and I'll see you when I see you. 안녕!